In this video, we are going to learn about least common multiple, which is shortly known as LCM. There are two methods to find the LCM. One is factorization method. The other one is common division method. We see the example now. Question number 1. Find the LCM of 72, 108 and 2100. First, we find the LCM by the factorization method. Then, we will see the common division method. Factorization method is first, we are going to find the factor of 72. 72 is divisible by 2. 36 times it is divisible. Again 36 is divisible by 2. 18 times. Next 18 is divisible by 2. 9 times. 9 is divisible by 3. Next take the second number 108, which is divisible by 2. This is 5 times, 4 times, 54 times. Again divisible by 2, it will give 27. 27 is divisible by 3 by 9 times. 9 is divisible by 3. Next number is 2100, which is divisible by 2 table. 1 is not divisible by 2, therefore take the next number 10. We are taking 2 number, therefore put 0. 10 is divisible by 2 by 5 times. Write this 0. 1050. 1050 is divisible by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 5 is 1 time. Write the 0 as it is. This also divisible by 5. 4 5s are 20. 10 is divisible by 5 by 2 times. Next, this number is divisible by 2 table. 21. This is divisible by 3 table. 7 times. 7 is divisible by 7 table. 1 time. First, we write the factor of 72. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 2 cube. 3 into 3, that is 3 square. Next 108. There are 2 into 2, that is 2 square. 3 into 3 into 3, that is 3 cube. The last number is 2100. How many 2's are there? Here 2 2's are there, therefore 2 square. Next 5 square. 5 into 5, therefore I am writing 5 square. Next 1 3 and 1 7. We are going to find the LCM. LCM is nothing but the least common multiple. Here look at the 3 factors, 2 cube, 2 square, 2 square. The highest power of 2 is 2 cube, therefore 2 cube is one of the LCM. Next, first I compare the 2 power in the 3 numbers. Next we compare the 3. This is 3 square, 3 power 3, 3. Compare these 3, 3. 3 power 3 is the highest number, therefore 3 cube is one of the LCM. Next, the left terms are 5 square and 7. Write 5 square and 7. The product of these numbers are the LCM. We expand 2 cube. 2 cube is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. Next 3 cube is nothing but 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. 5 square is nothing but 5 into 5, 25. Into 7, multiply these 4 numbers, you will get 37,800. This method is known as factorization method. Next, we divide the same question using the method common division method. Write the 3 number as it is, separate the number by comma. These 3 numbers are divisible by 2 table. 72 divided by 2 is 36. 108 divided by 2 is 54. 2100 divided by 2 is 1050. Next, all the 3 numbers are divisible by 2. Divide the number, it will give 18, 27, 5, 25. 18 and 27 is divisible by 3 table. Divide the number by 3. It will give 6, 9. 525 also divisible by 3. It will give 175. Next divide the number by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 3 divided by 3 is 3. 175 is not divisible by 3 table. Therefore write as it is. Next divide this number by 2. It will give 2 divided by 2 is 1. 3 is not divisible by 2. Therefore write as it is. 175 is not divisible by 2 table. Write as it is. Next divide the number by 3. 1 is not divisible by 3. Write 1 as it is. 3 is divisible by 3. 1 time. Next 175 which is not divisible by 3. Write as it is. 175 is divisible by 5 table. Write 1 comma 1. 3 5s are 15. Balance to 25 is 15 times. Again divide the number by 5. 1 1 7. 7 is divisible by 7 table. Therefore LCM equal to, write the number fully. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 7. Multiply all the number. It will give 37,800. This method is known as common division method. The first method is known as factorization method.